Meanwhile, 3 classes of students at Acuna Elementary School must quarantine for 14 days after several staff members test positive for COVID-19. Hubbard Elementary is now operating in a remote learning model, and as Jessica Taylor reports, part of the reason is a lack of substitute teachers.
3 staff members from Hubbard Elementary School test positive for coronavirus, and 1 is in quarantine after exposure.
It's a very small school. It serves students K through 3, and that was a significant impact to the staff.
The Kuna School District also cites lack of substitutes. Westfall says there are 30 subs for the entire Kuna School District, but they're looking for more, as are many districts across the state.
Before the pandemic, we knew that we had a substitute shortage, and the pandemic has just exacerbated the problem.
McAnally says some opted out of subbing this year because of health concerns, and they said they would not join back until they felt the reopening plans were safe.
I've reached out to those subs, and they are still not subbing because of the concerns of the pandemic.
Likely the biggest factor for the lack of subs is the pay. Substitute teachers typically make less than $100 a day.
Sub pay around the state is it's far below what they could make working for, let's say, Amazon.
The Kuna School District currently has an incentive to try and get more subs to the district and allocates subs to where they're needed most.
When we know there'll be those significant number of absences, do we put our substitute resources there, or are we able to maybe look at that school, have it go in remote learning, and then still have subs available for the absences in other places in the district?
Jessica Taylor, Idaho News 6.
The district is extending remote learning for another week, which means students will stay remote at least until November 9th. We'll continue to update this story on our website.